All right, it says consider the quadratic equation x squared plus 10x plus 27 equals 0. And they're asking us to complete the square to get the equivalent, so it'll reveal the extreme values. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to say x squared plus 10x, and then I'm going to add in something plus 27. I'm going to subtract it out. Okay. Now, what's this? It's almost the exact same problem we did. We're going to take 10 divided by 2 and square it. Well, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 squared is what? 25. So then this whole thing, which is x squared plus 10x plus 25, is this portion. And then 27 minus 25 is just a positive 2. This reduces down to x plus 5 squared, and then we tack on the plus 2. So this becomes positive 5. Now, this is equal to 0, right? All this stuff is equal to 0. I kind of skip past that. Okay. So now what do I do? Well, now I'm just simply going to subtract 2 from both sides. And I'm doing that because that's the way the answer is set up. If I subtract 2 from both sides, then I get the quantity x plus 5 squared is equal to negative 2. Let me double check the solution. Yep, that's the right answer. So then this becomes negative 2.